Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. With beautiful hair dye, very attractive and stylish haircut. And beautiful ideas of hair dye. Different ideas of hairstyle in low maintenance. Some ideas, fine hairstyle. Too short wave and curl on hair. Spiky hairstyle. And different collection of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut. And different ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors, and so beautiful collection of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and many much more beautiful and latest ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. And you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dart back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.